Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna helper updated. Start by boiling pasta until al dente, then drain while saving 1 cup of pasta water. In the same pot, melt butter, add milk and cheese to create a creamy base, then stir in canned tuna and seasonings. Adjust thickness with saved pasta water, taste for salt and pepper, and serve warm with a squeeze of lemon for brightness. Begin by bringing a large pot of salted water to a boil, then cook pasta until it is just tender. While pasta cooks, warm butter over medium heat, sauté onions or garlic if using, then whisk in milk and shredded cheese to form a silky sauce. Stir in drained tuna and simmer briefly to heat through. Combine pasta and sauce, adjust seasoning, and finish with chopped parsley for a simple, satisfying. To elevate this classic, incorporate small flavor boosts that still feel homey. A teaspoon of Dijon mustard brightens the sauce while keeping it familiar. Stir in a half cup of frozen peas for pop and color, or swap in sweet corn for a different bite. If you like a hint of smoke, add just a pinch of smoked paprika. Taste as you go so balance stays friendly and comforting for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.